Welcome to DairyTech Insights, your go-to destination for exploring the future of dairy farming. From cutting-edge milking machines to AI-powered herd management systems, we bring you the latest tools and technologies revolutionizing the dairy industry. Our mission is to empower farmers with innovative solutions that boost efficiency, sustainability, and productivity. Join us as we bridge the gap between tradition and technology, paving the way for smarter, more sustainable dairy farming. Let's transform the way we farm, one innovation at a